Hey guys, Meteor here, and today I am going to be playing all of the mods made by Cyan Angry Bird. However, guys, I don't know if Cyanbird 6182 or whatever his username is. Hang on, 6812, right? 6812. 6213. Sorry guys, I keep on forgetting his name. But honestly, I don't know if Cyanbird and Cyan Angry Bird are like the same channel. Maybe it's his alternate channel, so maybe I can say that these were also made by Cyanbird, but who knows. So yeah guys. But however guys, I'm actually gonna go and take this and I'm actually gonna go and put it into my saved playlist. Not too recent playlist. Not too recent playlist, but somewhere else. Let's add this. Angry Birds mods. Yes. Let's also remove this. Good. Anyways, so Angry Birds mods. Take this and put it up all the way. Good. So guys. Anyways, let's get started. Also, I don't know why it's not working. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Why is it not working? Bruh. Now I gotta just scroll all this down. Oh my god, bro. Get down, bro. You too? And you too. There. Smash. Smash. Yes. Okay. Anyways, let's get started. So, guys, Firstly, however, guys, I'm actually going to download all the mods. However, guys, the problem is Angry Birds CAB Edition is an update to an existing application. So I'm going to uninstall some of the apps. So, guys, I'm actually going to first play Angry Birds CAB Edition. So, guys, we got Angry Birds C... Oh. Bro, never mind. Never mind. This is Marcus Foster fake account. Bruh. Not with the Marcus Foster accounts again. Oh my god! 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 Okay, wait. Let me just take a look here. So we got Angry Birds HD re-release. So I'm sorry to say this, guys, but for some reason, guys, so basically, guys, we actually got 4 mods. So, guys, we got 4 mods plus 2 extra mods. So, guys, we got 4 mods plus 2 extra ones. So, guys, hang on, let me just see if it's on full screen. Okay, no, it's not. Anyway, guys, so basically, we got 4 mods plus 2 extra ones, like I said. However, guys, the problem is that for some reason, Angry Birds HD re-released cannot be playable because Google Drive thinks it's in violation of our terms of service. So sadly, guys, Angry Birds HD re-released can sadly not be played. I'm sorry to say this, but however, guys, we can play the other versions. Well, except for Angry Birds Sega Genesis version, we can't play that. And as for Angry Birds recreated Rio HD, we can play that. Sega, so there's only 2 mods that can be playable. So there's only 3 mods that can be playable and 1 extra one. So there's a total of 4. Segas, 2 of them sadly don't work, but I don't know why, because it's not in violation. Like, I don't know why. So guys, it's Angry Birds Rio HD. So anyway, guys, let's get started by playing all of these mods. First, I'm gonna play Angry Birds Rio HD. So let's get started, guys. Detected problems with app native libraries. Please consult for detail. And as you can see, guys, this is actually a custom-made version. So guys, we got Awards, we got Jungle Skip, and we got Smuggler's Den. So guys, I'm only gonna play the first. I'm actually gonna play some levels of Smuggler's Den. So let's go. The birds get their eggs captured, and then they go into a cage. Then they get sent by a helicopter to Brazil, which my haters should be going there. And we got some stuff, and then the birds break the cages. Also, guys, I was actually joking about my haters going to Brazil, because that proves you can't handle hate. So, yeah, I guess I'm kind of a hypocrite. Anyways, without further ado, let's start. Smash! Dead. Yes, everyone's now dead. Yay. Yay, everyone said hit, hit, shake, shake, shake. Shing, shing, shing. Okay, actually, guys, there's nothing much to talk about. This is basically just a custom-made Angry Birds Rio. Anyways, now I'm gonna go and play Angry Birds CAB edition. Actually, wait a minute, hang on. Actually, let's first go play Angry Birds Mooncake Festival Revived. So this is basically a Mooncake Festival, except it got revived. And yes, this is made by Cyan, but I don't know if it's made by him. Wait. This looks like he stole a mod. Okay. Oh my god, look! Never mind, look guys, the truck is back. See guys, we got the normal truck. Look at that guys, see? We got the normal truck back. Okay, that's different. That's actually surprising. Wait, is that the new sprites? Hang on, I think he had a new sprites in this game. Hang on, that's different. I never expected that. Season's greetings. Oh my god, that's different. Okay, wow, I'm finding so many different things. Oh my god, look at the piggies. What? Hogs and gooses. Okay, wait, let's actually get the Facebook levels. Let's see. Nothing here. Wait, hang on. Is hell? Okay, wait. Oh, I thought the hell voice has changed. Oh, we got Matilda. Yay! We got Matilda. We got Bluebird. We got Go Green Get Lucky. 17, 16. Yeah, so I'm actually trying to find edited levels. Also ambience. We got Easter eggs, but these ones can be actually unlocked by going to the Angry Birds Twitter page. Wait, what? Did you just see interesting where it's going? Like, does Angry Birds even have Twitter? I think it does, right? I think Angry Birds has Twitter. So it just sends us to a different link. Okay, let's take a look. We got Summer Picnic. Yeah, we got Summer Picnic, boys. Oh, that isn't changed. Huh. I thought it was changed. So, yeah, there's pretty much nothing to talk about this. So, he changed the sprites and the art for Chuck in the Trick or Treat cutscene, and he also changed some stuff. So this is really nice. That's great. So this is basically a Mooncake Festival, except he changed the sprites. So as he changed the sprites for Mooncake Festival. Smash, 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 smash. Bam. Oh, no. Oh no! Yes, I killed him. Yay! He's dead. Congrats. Yay. Oh, Jesus, he's flying. Wait, hang on. Can we get the birds in this mod? I don't think we can. Yeah, I don't think we can. At first I thought this mod Chuck. Talk about this mod, so we're gonna uninstall it, and the next mod we're gonna play is Angry Birds CAB edition. So let's get started. Wait, let's actually first start. So guys, so we got Rovio. Oh my god, it's big. It's not even showing the copyright info. Angry Birds, and now we can get started. Oh my god, that popped up fast. Oh my god. Oh wow. The slingshot technique is really so we got the truck is back. Oh my god. I don't know why, but whenever I put this to full screen, whenever I zoomed out, it was more laggy, and for some reason I couldn't shoot the birds. I don't know why. Yeah, it's basically regular Angry Birds. Pow, pow. Pow. I think he changed the stripes, I believe. I think that's what he did. Yeah, but basically, guys, in this mod, you have to wait until you complete all of the levels in Hulk, so that you can play Mighty Hulks. Kind of like in Star Wars, where you have to complete the whole entire episode of Tatooine in order to play the rest of the episodes. So yeah, let's go on and start. Yeah, but basically, guys, there's pretty much nothing else to say except, oh my god, yeah, I guess I was telling you before that the sprites have been changed. Obviously, I can also see behind the setup that they changed the pig sprites. So, they changed the sprites to the clone sprites, I believe. I think they changed it to the clone sprites, if I'm not mistaken. Also, that is very big. Also, I don't know why, but it's playing the Ultimate Expression theme song, and I don't know why. But anyways, there's pretty much nothing about too much to talk about this mod. So now it's finally time to play it. So guys, it's Angry Birds 8.0.3. So guys, this is also made by him, Rovio. And as you can see, guys, we got a new splash screen. I'm actually gonna take a, hang on. Oh wait, it's too late. I have to go back and restart. Oh my god. Yeah, but basically, guys, we have unlimited money. So yeah. We're gonna take a screenshot of this title screen. There's like snot coming out of the pig's mouth. I mean, the nose. Oh my god. So, and also for some reason, guys, this game is sometimes laggy, and I don't know why. So, as you can see, so we got the credits. It's 8.0.3. Wow, I'm actually surprised. And then here we got the Mighty Eagle, and we got the power-up shop. And hang on. So as you can see, guys, we got tons of power-ups, and we also got tons of gems and tons of. Wait, hang on. Can you actually purchase them? Oh my, we actually can. Oh my god. We can actually still purchase. And we got the Mighty League. We got the Mighty League, guys. But I don't know if it's actually going to work. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work. But, yeah, we got all of the levels completed. Yeah, we got all the levels completed, guys. Oh my god, that's a lot of power. But yeah, we got all the levels completed. So yeah, we got all the levels completed, guys. Oh my god. Completed. Yeah, we got all the levels completed, I believe. So, yeah, let's see what we got. I don't know, hang on. Yeah, so we got all the levels completed. But let's see if there's anything changed. I don't think there's anything changed. Let's Bomb, the Cola, Hal, Terrence, Robo, Stella, and Red's Mighty Face. We got Mighty Eagle. So, yeah, I don't think there's nothing changed. Besides the fact that the thing. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? What is happening? That's weird. What the heck? Okay, this is weird. Why is my game glitching? Wait, oh my god, is that even a score? How is that even possible? Smash! How's that even a score, bruh? And the game finished. How is that even a score? Like 330. So we got 33999999538. Like, bro, how is that even possible? You even see how much score there is? Poach Checks and Mighty Hulk literally have the same score. Like, how? Like, how is this even possible? Like, how exactly? Like, bro, these are some unbelievable scores, man. These are some unbelievable scores. Wait, hang on. Oh, I forgot. These ones still have ads. Wait, hang on. Can we actually get the let's see if we can actually try beating the AI score. Who knows? It might work. Let's try it. my god, what the hell? What am I even doing? Wait. Is it gonna work? Nope. Let's see if we can get the score. Let's go. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Never mind, we can't. Yeah, but so basically, guys, apparently we got a higher score, but oh my god, this still works. What? No way. All of this still works. Wait, it works. What? It still works. Not feeling angry enough? Get the flies doing it. You're from the official branch of Amazon. Wait, does this even exist? Does this even exist? Oh, it does. Huh. Would you look at that? It still exists. Except, there's no classic things. There's no classic things. Angry Birds Hatch and Race. Blind Bag. Hatch and Race? My Cito. Oh man, I really want this. But the birds look fat. It should not be used in traffic. Of course not. It's supposed to be toys for the inside, not for outside. But yeah, I'm surprised it actually still works. I'm actually surprised. But yeah. Wait, hold up. Glitching hardly. Oh my god, bro, why? My game is glitching, and I still can't believe. Come on, go back away. Wait. Okay. My game is glitching heavily at this point. It's glitching heavily. It's glitching out heavily, man. It's glitching heavily. Like, seriously. Wait, daily challenge. Loading. Complete all levels in a row to get today's awards. Well, let's try it. Oh my god, we can get hard score on this. Don't you dare glitch out on me, game. Don't you dare glitch out. Imagine if the birthday possible. Yes. Second of level 2. Oh, it's gonna glitch out. Oh my god, bro, that looks cursed. Yes, level 3. Oh my god, this is... You got turrets! Bad. The game is glitching. This bird can smash everything. Okay, I'm gonna stop the game here. How is a single piece of meat able to stop Bomb in his tracks? Like, how? Does that mean, like, what, like, Superman? Oh my god. Oh my god, this game is lagging intensely. Like, seriously, it's lagging intensely. It's like, oh my god, it's lagging intensely, man. Oh my god. It's lagging intensely. I can't take this. Okay, let's complete the daily challenge, and then we'll probably end the video. That is even world, of course. Okay, registered. Yay. It's registered. Yes, it's registered. Oh, come on. I thought I was gonna get the highest score. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So we got 1 shotgun, 15 gems, and 20 coins. Not bad. We got 2 levels left. Ooh, we got short fuse. So. Actually, wait, hang on. Let me just activate shotgun. I hate when the game lags. My god, the lagging is intense, my man. The lagging is intense, man. Oh my god, now bombs inside. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, the pigs are bubbles. Oh my god, that looks so cursed. Smash. Oh. The pipings are collapsing. Smash. Ching. Okay, last level. Oh my god, it's red. Oh wait, what? It's this confusing ad again. It's like just put red on the tower and then so it's basically Angry Piggies, guys. Look, it's Angry Piggies official gameplay. It's Angry Guys, it's Angry Piggies. It's not totally Angry, not Angry Birds 2. It's Angry Piggies, guys. It's Angry Piggies. It's Angry Piggies. What? Okay, I guess we got no power-ups then. Guess we got no power-ups this time. Let's just start, hang on. This is like way I can't restore it. No, wait. Nope. I thought. Get on. Yes. Yeah, give me more birds. Yes, give me more birds. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I got the daily reward, boy. Okay. Wait, let me click on tag. Yes, today's challenge completed. Well done. Well, thank you. What? Oh, I guess I can play it again. But oh my god, did you see how much stars I have? Like, I can even sign in. Oh, I signed in as yes. Wait. Are you sure we want to sign out for this Rovio account? Well, if I do that, then I'm pretty sure I won't be able to save my score. 2,553 stars, 688 feathers, and 36 golden eggs. Sign in as guest. Oh my god, I can actually change the account. I can change the account? What? It's not doing anything. Oh, account Rovio.cyan. Accountrovio.com. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Is it even? It's not gonna show anything. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna show anything. So yeah, sign in as guest. So yeah, guys. Are you sure want to sign up for this Rovio account? Well, if I sign out of this Rovio account, imagine if I just accidentally clicked on the check mark. But yeah, if I sign out of this Rovio account, then I'm pretty sure I won't be able to, play the mod. Also, we got Angry Birds 2 ad, which changes. We got Leonard here, we got Stella here. Oh crap, I clicked on it. Oh, but it leads me to the official thing. That's actually great. Yeah, but you can see how this game lags intensely. So yeah, this game is laggy. So yeah, I'm just gonna close up that menu. There we go. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure to give a like and subscribe for new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.